Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to register for Commercial Bank of Qatar online banking. Alright, let's begin. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Commercial Bank of Qatar. Locate the official link from the search results and click on it to visit the bank's main portal. Once the page loads, navigate to the top right section and select the Digital Banking. A pop-up menu will then appear. Simply select the account type that fits your needs, such as Personal Internet Banking. On the login page, locate and click the link labeled Register Now to start the registration process. The system will prompt you to enter your personal identification details, including your valid Qatar ID or passport number, alongside your registered mobile phone number. After submitting this form, you will immediately receive a one-time password via SMS. Type the OTP code into the verification box to continue to the card verification screen. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your active debit card PIN. Once confirmed, create a secure, unique username and a strong password to complete your digital profile setup. So that's basically how you can register for Commercial Bank of Qatar online banking. That's it for this video. Thanks!